Hi there, this is David from the True Blue Sand blog, and I just love watching machines like this work. That's a track hoe with a drum on the front of it that can chew up brush. And these things are great when you have an area of small trees to clear. This is a low levee that surrounds a bottomland field. And when the creek floods, it keeps water from running through the field. And listen to that. That thing chews them up. You don't want to stand close to it. We're using telephoto to reach out there. But throws chunks quite a ways. And they did this levee just a few years ago. It hasn't been probably maybe 4 or 5 years since that was cleared, and they probably could have saved some money if they'd gone in there and treated the stumps. If you go through here and treat your stumps with a herbicide after you do this, they won't resprout. And you could also come back after they resprout and use a foliar spray to control the brush. But I'm guessing that in 4 or 5 years they'll be doing this again. But anyway, it's fun to watch. I think this is money they didn't need to spend had they just spent a little time with a sprayer out here on foot killing the brush after it resprouted last time. We'll watch and see. I'm sure this will be popping back up again. That is a neat machine. When he chews one up, it sounds like Godzilla attacking San Francisco. Giving it a haircut, giving it a buzz cut. He's taking them right down to the ground. Here we go. Chew it down from the top. It'd be a good place to go and pick up chips to use for kindling next winter, wouldn't it? A lot of little pieces. Anyway, pretty much fun. See you next time. Thank you for visiting.